Good afternoon. For those eagle-eyed viewers amongst you, you may notice that in this month's Jaecoo 5 review, we haven't actually got a car. So I admit there seems to be a lack of knowledge and a lack of parts in the UK. So the car is currently in the garage still. For the first week I had a Toyota Aris, which was, to say something, of a tight squeeze for me, being 6'2", but it was a hybrid. So I had that for a week, and then last week I have had a Suzuki Vitara EV. I've called the garage, and the garage says that say they've ordered the parts. So that's it for this month. So I'll keep you posted and see you again in a few weeks. Cheers.
Yes, go easy on me, viewers. I'm only just relaying the truth. I will put a proper review out again to tell you how I'm getting on once the Jaecoo is back with me. Hopefully the boot struts sort the problem, but if they don't, and then the ECU replacement will hopefully, and then I'll be back on the road with the Jaecoo 5. Until then, thanks for watching.